GhostTogether is giving away free Nitros on GhostTogether. Log into the link in the description of this video. Find Ghost in the Shell. She should be on top of the timeline. It's easy to find. Find this post. And here she's saying 3 links to 1 month Discord Nitro promo. Your account, your PayPal account must have at least $1, but it will be refunded. So these are the links, guys, for those of you who have a free, not a free, but who have a PayPal account. Click on those links. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account with $1 in it, go to the top of the timeline, click Claim Nitro, and confirm. Okay, you're going to join the queue. It's a bit slower, but it's free. And once you reach the top of the leaderboard here on the left side, you will be qualified for the free Discord Nitro. This can be replenishable. If you stay active on the platform, they will even give you the $9.99 version, the full featured Nitro for $9.99 on the second month if you continue staying active. But staying active is easy because look at all these people. They're all from Discord. They're gamers, artists. You're going to, it's so easy to level up on the leaderboard and build your account. Accounts look amazing like this. Find your crowd, guys. Find your people here and get a free Nitro.